welcome back. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a review on my BTFL roller skates. So just before I say anything else, I personally have no professional experience on roller skating. It's going to be a new hobby of mine that I have been wanting to try out. And I used to live in Bakersfield when I was younger. I used to go to Sonic all the time. Sonic workers, they rollerblade in the drive-thru where they give you your food, and I always thought it looked so cool. I always wanted to do it, and the couple of times that I tried to, I just was so scared. I couldn't get over the fear of falling. But this year I was like, you know what, enough of that. I actually want to put some effort into it. Today I'm just gonna give you guys my first impressions and a little bit of what I have been researching online about the shoes itself that I'm going to change. Well, first of all, the box, literally, I think it arrived in 2 days. It was super fast shipping. I got it on Amazon DE, and the pair that I got was a little bit more expensive. How I said, they were 139 euro. But the gray version of these same shoes, I believe, was 110 euro. So this is the box that it came in. It did have a slight tear right here. It wasn't that big, but it's no big deal. It was only the box that was damaged. And I did get them in the size 38, European size, US 7, which is something that I was super afraid of because I've never owned a pair of skates myself. So what I did is I got my most comfortable shoes, which were my Dr. Martens, and those I was a size 38. So I would totally recommend for you to actually go ahead and measure out your foot just to be safe, because I'm usually a size 7.5 or a size 8. Thankfully, these fit really good. So they did come wrapped, you know, like in the back like this. It said that it came with a 2-year warranty, because I did buy a couple of years of warranty, but I don't know if I just paid extra for no reason or if they already come with the shoes. And anyways, it wasn't that bad. I think it was like $5 extra. I did get these last week, I believe, but I had to try them on because I wanted to make sure that they fit. So I got the blue color. This is what they look like. They're super soft and comfortable. They have the gold medals right here with the logo. I was going on Reddit and trying to do my research before I got these, just because I was looking for an affordable pair of skates, especially because I am very beginner. So I didn't want to invest in like $400 skates that I was looking at, because I felt like I wanted a more affordable, just because I know I was going to be doing a lot of falling and all of that. Here are the wheels. The wheels are rubber. The wheels, I heard that, I mean, they're pretty good. You do have to use the tool. I don't know if I mentioned already, but the tool didn't come in my box. But I ordered it online, so I'm waiting on the tool so I could switch the wheels, because you can see that they don't spin how they should be. None of them do, so I need to switch that. Oh, this one's spinning good, kind of. This one isn't. Also, the stopper here, from the reviews that I was seeing, a lot of people said they recommend switching it out. So I'm probably just gonna use this one right now that I'm practicing, but I did order one from a local like sports shop around here. So I'm gonna switch that out. It was only like $5 for that one. But so far, I really love how they look. They have the floral pattern right here in the back. The shoelaces, they're really round, but they don't hold up. Like when I tie them, they fall, like they undo themselves really easily. So I am gonna switch out the laces as well. I'm waiting on a toe guard that's gonna protect the front. I got it from Etsy, so it should be here in about a week or so. And I'll show you guys an updated version of how my skates will look once I have the laces, the stopper changed out, and then I have my toe guard. And I'm also thinking of getting accessories online to make them a little bit cuter. I mean, they're really nice by themselves, just like this. You know, they have like the floral print and stuff, but I really, you know, when you go to the gym and you have like the matching two-piece, you feel better, you know? So I want to make them look really cute. And I am also waiting on my protective gear. Ordered the elbow, the knee, and the wrist protectors, but they didn't fit, so I had to return them. And thankfully it was just Amazon, so I just had to drop them off. But I am waiting on those from the sports shop, and I think it's gonna take like 3 days. So in 3 days, I'm gonna start recording my journey, and I'm trying to have a goal so it can make it fun for me. But these are the skates themselves. How I said, I have not much experience, but if you guys have any other questions, I will try my best to answer them in the comments. But yeah, I'm about to try them on for you guys real quick. I'm not gonna go outside because there's still a little bit of snow, and I don't think that's safe to do. For this video, if you want to be a part of my skate journey, or also if you are just a beginner or wanting to start with skating, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram. It will be in the description below. I'm out of breath, but I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.